Hello everyone, today I'm going to give you an update about my FlashForge Creator 5. So in my previous video I did some installation on this custom made vent protector. So this is to prevent any purge filament getting inside the air vent hole. So yes, I know that Creator 5 does not have a built-in exhaust fan over these two holes here, but I still installed it because I have had an issue with my filament, with my transparent filament. You can see here these tiny bits here. This one, during the nozzle wipe, it accidentally gets inside this vent hole. So imagine if it happens too much, too frequent, these tiny bits of filament will build up inside your machine, and I don't want that to happen, so I installed this vent protector. So another one that I am printing right now is I am printing a poop slider. So this is a poop slider. This one is made from PLA. I just wanted to test fit it first before I printed it in PETG. So now it is currently printing with PETG, and this prototype works. So I will show you how it works, and it doesn't have any poop bin, so it just let the filament slide away, and we'll show you that after this. Okay, now we already finished printing this poop slider, and you just need to add some aluminum tape so to prevent it from sticking on this poop slider. And now we are going to attach it using double-sided tape like this, and I'm going to do that first. Okay, now I already attached this poop slider using a 3M automotive double-sided tape. There you go. So with the right weight, it will fall on its own, so you don't have to worry for it to getting stuck right here. It won't get stuck, it will just fall off on its own. So that's it. Thank you for watching.